Jag köper en burk med köttfärssås.
Okay. What a great start of the day.
Super tired.
Hello, everybody!
How you feeling?
So tired. This is early for me.
It's early for me as well.
What about you?
I'm feeling good. I woke up early.
What time?
9:15 a.m. You got a great hairstyle right now. The day is getting started and Ray's daddy is in the kitchen. Ray's kitchen.
Hello, everybody! Bacon, egg and
Porridge.
gröt. Havregrynsgröt. I feel good. Very good.
What's up, the best family on the internet? It's your boy Ray and we're on the way to Njupeskär, where we are going to walk a national park called Fulufjället, and we are supposed to see one of, I think it is Sweden's most beautiful waterfall. The biggest one?
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Ah, you see, the biggest one in Sweden. We will drive for an hour to get to the waterfall, and we'll see what happens. What do you think?
It's alright.
So we're currently at some type of stream here. We are working our way up to the waterfall. I think this is the end of the waterfall somehow. So we got a bit to go, but it's definitely beautiful so far. I mean, look at this. It looks amazing, and I can't wait to get to the actual waterfall. It looks really good, right?
Hello, very hungry. Pasta and bolognese.
What up?
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for some Ray's kitchen, and we're making some pasta bolognese. It's going to be good. It's going to be really good. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. We got a pasta bolognese alla riso. Tasty. It was good. What do you think?
Very good. Très bien.
Très bien. It was good. It was quick. My man Jonah taught me how to cook some food in the forest. Ray's kitchen is here. Waterfall, look at it. It looks amazing. After a couple of hours, we just arrived. Oh shit, there we go. Oh, there we go. And now we're just enjoying everything. We're taking some pictures, taking some videos, just enjoying our time here. Well, I mean, the waterfall looks amazing, and I'm super excited to be here. It took some while to actually get here, but I'm so glad that I did this, and I look forward to the mountains up north. I mean, this is just the first stop. It's like 3-4 hours away from where I live, so I think we have a lot more to see. This was just the first stop. I'll see you soon. Ciao, bye, peace.
The biggest family, best and the biggest.
Fresh.